wait for, wait for, apply for, apply for, ask for, ask for, pay for, pay for, look for, look for, talk to, talk to, speak to, speak to, listen to, listen to, agree to, agree to, go to, go to, smile at, smile at, look at, look at, good at, good at, point at, point at, arrive at, arrive at, recover from, recover from, head from, head from, suffer from, suffer from, save from, save from, make from, make from,